Paris, a city that echoes with the artistry of the ages, now revealed in a symphony of light and shadow from above. As the first blush of dawn paints the sky, the city of romance and dreams stirs from its slumber. Every street, every monument, every café begins to hum with the rhythm of a new day. This is Paris as it awakens, a city that has inspired poets, artists, and dreamers for centuries. From the charming cobblestone streets of Montmartre to the grand boulevards that crisscross the city, Paris is a testament to the timeless allure of art, culture, and history. As the sun ascends, the cityscape is bathed in a soft, golden light, casting long shadows that dance upon the Seine. As day breaks, our journey takes flight along the Seine, the lifeline that winds through Paris, bathed in the morning's golden glow. Witness the Eiffel Tower in its morning splendor, an iron lacework of dreams touching the skies, a sentinel of history watched over by the rising sun. This architectural marvel, a symbol of love and elegance, is more than just iron and rivets. It's an embodiment of human ingenuity, the manifestation of an audacious dream. Its intricate design, akin to a delicate lace, reveals the meticulous craftsmanship of the bygone era. As the sun peaks over the horizon, it breathes life into the iron silhouette, casting a soft golden glow that dances upon its structure. The tower, steadfast and enduring, has watched over Paris through countless sunrises, bearing witness to the city's triumphs and tragedies, its joys and sorrows. It stands as a beacon of resilience, a testament to the spirit of Paris that refuses to falter. A monument that stands tall, reminding us of the dreams that reach for the skies. Above Notre Dame, our view captures the essence of its Gothic Majesty, a beacon of heritage and testament to resilience, reaching for the heavens. Notre Dame Cathedral, an architectural marvel, has stood at the heart of Paris for over 8 centuries. The intricate details of its Gothic design, from the flying buttresses to the grand spire, tell a story of artistic ingenuity, of a time when each stone was a verse in a poem of faith and devotion. In recent times, Notre Dame has shown the world an inspiring tale of resilience. In the face of a devastating fire, it stood undeterred, a symbol of Parisian spirit. Through the flames and smoke, it emerged with a renewed purpose, a testament to the city's unyielding determination to preserve its cultural heritage. A beacon of heritage that continues to inspire and captivate us, Notre Dame Cathedral is indeed a Gothic Majesty viewed from above. From the timeless Louvre to the spirited Montmartre and the Arc de Triomphe's grand stance, we glide over icons that tell the multifaceted tale of Paris. The Louvre, once a royal palace, now houses masterpieces that span centuries, a testament to humanity's enduring need to create and appreciate beauty. Then, we ascend to Montmartre, the bohemian heart of the city, where artists have found inspiration in its winding streets and charming cafes for generations. Finally, we circle the Arc de Triomphe, a symbol of French resilience and unity, standing proud amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. Each landmark, with its own unique history and cultural significance, contributes to the rich tapestry that is Paris. They stand as silent narrators of the city's past, present, and future. Each landmark, a testament to the city's enduring spirit and charm. Behold the Champs-Élysées, where Paris pulses with life, a vibrant artery flowing from the heart of the city, captured in the clarity of morning. This grand avenue, stretching from the Place de la Concorde to the Arc de Triomphe, is the city's heartbeat, a canvas of Parisian life painted in broad strokes of culture, commerce, and cuisine. Every step along this famous thoroughfare is a dance with history, a waltz with the present, and a flirtation with the future. It is here where Parisians come to celebrate, to protest, to live. Each boutique, cafe, and theatre is a testament to the city's enduring allure, a melody in the symphony of the City of Light. As the day progresses, the Champs-Élysées only grows more luminous, more animated, echoing the city's rhythm, the city's soul, a vibrant artery that embodies the city's ceaseless energy and charm. As we soar from the historic core to the horizon of tomorrow, La Défense stands as a bold declaration of Paris's journey through time. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Paris is a city of contrasts, a tapestry woven from the threads of history and the fibers of the future. It's a city that holds on to its past, its architectural jewels, its tales of love and revolution, while reaching out to touch tomorrow's sky with structures of steel and glass. La Défense, the city's modern skyline, is a testament to this evolution. Its geometric designs and cutting-edge architecture rise like a phoenix, a striking counterpoint to the timeless beauty of the city's historic core. It's as if Paris whispers to us, "Look how far we've come. Look how far we can go." A city that gracefully straddles the line between its storied past and its promising future. As daylight fades, Paris transitions into an illuminated embrace. This city, ever dreaming, is a love letter penned in the ink of light, history, and river. Today, we've journeyed together from the first blush of dawn to the twilight's last gleaming, traversing the city of light from the vantage point of the skies. We began our odyssey with the awakening of Paris, as the city stirred beneath the tender touch of morning. We followed the lifeline of the Seine, its golden reflections a mirror of the city's vibrant soul. We marveled at the Eiffel Tower, that iron lacework of dreams, standing tall under the watchful gaze of the rising sun. We soared above the Gothic Majesty of Notre, a beacon of heritage reaching for the heavens. We glided over the timeless Louvre, the spirited Montmartre, and the Grand Arc de Triomphe, each an iconic chapter in the multifaceted tale of Paris. We felt the pulse of Paris in the Champs-Élysées, the city's vibrant artery, flowing with life. We witnessed the seamless blend of the old and the new as we soared from the historic heart of Paris to the modern skyline of La Défense, a bold testament of Paris's journey through time. And now, as the curtain of night descends, Paris transforms into a symphony of light, a city in an everlasting embrace with the stars. Each flicker, each sparkle, is a verse in the city's nocturnal sonnet, a testament to its enduring allure and charm. Paris, the city of light, history and river, is more than a destination. It's an experience, a feeling, a love story that unfolds with each new dawn and each starlit night. It's a city that dreams and invites you to dream with it. Your companionship on this aerial odyssey has been invaluable. Subscribe for more visual symphonies, and until we meet again, keep chasing the beauty that lies just beyond the horizon.